Let us look at another example of time and work. A and B, working together, complete a work in 35 days. If A takes 60 days to complete it, how long would B alone take to complete it? So here we have been given that the time taken by A is equal to 60 days. And we have also been given the time taken by A and B together is 35 days. And now we have to find the time taken by B to complete the work on his own. Now, in order to find out the time taken by B, we'll have to do calculations on the work done per unit time. So let us convert these into work done per unit time terms. So A completes the work in 60 days. So in one day, A will do 1 by 60th of the work. So 1 day work of A is equal to 1 by 60. Similarly, both A plus B together complete the work in 35 days. So 1 day's work of A plus B is equal to 1 by 35. And if we consider the time taken by B is TB, then 1 day's work of B is equal to 1 by TB. So now we can easily say that 1 day's work of A plus 1 day's work of B is equal to the 1 day's work of A plus B that has been given to us. So here we can do 1 by 60, which is 1 day's work of A, plus 1 by TB is equal to 1 by 35. So now let's find out the value of TB. So or 1 by TB is equal to 1 by 35 minus 1 by 60, or 1 by TB is equal to, so here we can take the LCM as 35 multiplied by 60. So here 35 multiplied by 60 will be the LCM, so this becomes 60 minus 60 multiplied by 35 will be the LCM, so this becomes 35, or 1 divided by TB is equal to 60 minus 35 is 25 divided by 35 multiplied by 60. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5 and 5 12s are 60. So this becomes 1 divided by 12 multiplied by 7, which is 84. So 1 divided by TB is equal to 1 divided by 84, or TB is equal to 84. So the time taken by B to complete the entire work will be 84 days. Now let's look at a short way to find the same answer. So TA is 60, TA plus B is 35, and TB is unknown. Now with practice and by some formulas, you'll know that if TA is the time taken by A to complete a work, and TB is the time taken by B to complete the work, then the time taken by A plus B is equal to time taken by A multiplied by time taken by B divided by time taken by A plus time taken by B. So here we know the time taken by A plus B is 35 days. So 35 is equal to TA is 60 multiplied by TB divided by TA plus TB, so 60 plus TB. Or now we have to multiply 35 with 60 and 35 with TB. So 35 multiplied by 60 is 2100 plus 35 TB. This is equal to 60 TB. Or, so let's bring all TB on one side. So 35 TB will come to the other side. So 60 minus 35, which is 25 times TB is equal to 2100, or TB is equal to 2100 divided by 25. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 4s are 20, 1 carry over, 5 2s are 10 and 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40 and 2 carry over, 5 4s are 20. So TB is equal to 84 days. So this is the same answer as we got here. So this is a quicker method to solve this problem.